Does a Google Ads expert uses Google Analytics for campaign optimization? Yes or no? If yes, then please explain a bit more. Great question, Atisham. Yes, we can use and you should use Google Analytics to uh, for optimization purposes, especially when things aren't going right, and also to see what kind of audiences you are getting, because analytics will track everything from every source, not only Google Ads. If you have got direct traffic, brand traffic, social, email, referral, or any kind of traffic, you can see in a snapshot which are your most profitable channels. So that is where you will find that, okay, my traffic from Facebook is converting really well, whereas Google Ads is not working so well, or direct traffic, when they come in, we know that they convert very well. Now, what that means is, well, the direct traffic is the best kind of traffic, because somebody is typing in Google www.yourwebsite.com or whatever. They know where they are going to, they know what they want. So the conversion rates on those will be pretty high. How do you increase your direct traffic? Is by raising awareness with your brand. So sessions like these, I am going on online live on YouTube and my social channels to increase my brand awareness, put my message across, and so on. And then you'll go to Google and either search my name or my website name, or go directly to my through to my uh, website. So analytics plays a huge importance in optimizing the campaigns. Also looking at where the audiences are, what kind of audiences you are getting. You can also set up goals, as well as event tracking. So how many people clicked on a call button, or an email link, or a video play button, and those kind of soft conversions as well, which lead to the main conversion, i.e., somebody makes a purchase on your website, or somebody subscribes to you or becomes a lead, and so on. So analytics does work, and I would also recommend that you always link up your Google Analytics to your Google Ads, so the data can come through. Now, if you have set up goal tracking and conversions in analytics, you can import them in, but don't include in conversions. Keep it now as secondary and not primary, because then your conversions will be tracked twice.